Hi, my name is Norman. Sometimes one correct signal can save you dozens of hours of useless analysis. That's why I always keep two tools handy that allow me to cut out the unnecessary and see what's important. Today, I'll tell you how to set them up and read them correctly so you don't waste time on guesswork and random decisions. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I choose classic candles, time frame, 1 minute. Go to the Indicators tab and select ADX and Fractal. Let's configure the fractal indicator. Go to the Style. Set up to yellow. Set down to turquoise. Save. Let's configure the ADX indicator. Set DI length to 7. Go to the Style. Turn off at X. Set plus DI and minus DI width to 2. Save. The indicators are ready to go. Friend, if you still have questions after watching the video, be sure to write to me in private messages on Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. First situation, expiration time. 1 minute, I open a trade to sell for $2,000. Now, I will describe in detail how to use this strategy correctly in practice in order to easily determine entry points and understand the logic of how it works. In fact, everything is much simpler than it might seem at first glance. First, pay attention to the fractal indicator. A yellow arrow appears above the candles. This is the first and fairly reliable signal that a downward movement is beginning. This sign is especially valuable when it forms after the end of an upward phase, indicating a change in market sentiment. We get a second confirmation from the ADX indicator. In this situation, the turquoise line crossed the yellow line from top to bottom, which clearly indicates the beginning of a downward trend and confirms that sellers have already taken the initiative. Yes, the first trade is profitable. I made $1,840. Let's move on to the next situation. If you want to stay up to date with the latest strategies and receive daily analytics, join my free Telegram channel. We share our experiences, discuss trends, and support each other. If anything is unclear, you can always ask a question or write to me personally. The link to the channel is in the description. Come and grow with us. In my Telegram channel, you will find only proven advice that will help you make confident trading decisions. Join while it's still available. I see a signal. Expiration. 1 minute, I open a trade to sell for $2,000. The chart is currently showing excellent, clearly defined movement, and the indicators are synchronously confirming the signal received, making the picture as clear and confident as possible. Everything fits into a single logic. The direction is clear, the dynamics are consistent, and the technical tools are in complete agreement with each other. The signal from the indicators looks particularly convincing. They indicate a continuation of the decline, and this is confirmed by the chart itself. Large red candles are forming one after another, which is a clear sign of a strong downward momentum. Such movement energy suggests that sellers are in complete control of the situation and are not allowing the price to reverse. Judging by the current dynamics, the chart still has enough strength to continue declining, and this momentum is highly likely to develop further, bringing the expected result. Excellent. The trade closes in the black and brings in $1,840 in profit. I continue trading. Next situation, expiration. 1 minute, I open a sell trade for $2,000. All the conditions set by the indicators match completely, and the chart shows a confident and clear movement without unnecessary fluctuations. Such consistency between the signals and dynamics gives additional confidence in the further development of the situation. Friend, always keep in mind a simple but important rule. You should only open a trade when both indicators point in the same direction at the same time. It is the synchrony of signals that helps to filter out unnecessary noise, avoid hasty decisions, and choose the moment with the highest probability of success. When technical tools agree with each other, your chances of making the right prediction increase significantly. Yes, another $1,840 in profit. The balance continues to grow. Good moment. Expiration. 1 minute. I open a buy trade for $2,000. The chart now shows a clear and confident movement, and the indicators synchronously confirm the current trend, eliminating unnecessary doubts and strengthening confidence in the forecast. The picture is as harmonious as possible. The direction is stable, the dynamics are consistent, and the technical signals are completely consistent with each other. My friend, this strategy is truly highly versatile. It works equally well in any market conditions, whether it's a calm market or a period of increased volatility, and is not tied to a specific time of day. This approach allows you to apply it flexibly and confidently, adapting to any changes in the situation while maintaining the stability and reliability of the signals. Great. Another $1,840 in profit, and the balance is already $21,078. Let's sum up the results. A good trading session. Increasing the balance from $14,218 to $21,078 is a significant gain, which clearly shows that the chosen tactics and disciplined approach are working at a high level. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading.